Andre Ward, and you're watching Dante's Boxing Nation.
Dante's Boxing Nation.
Dante's Boxing Nation.
Dante's Boxing Nation.
You're watching Dante's Boxing Nation.
Hey man, y'all have a hard time finding it over here or what, man? Huh? Yeah. Right on, man. I know, right? What up, James? Oh man. Which one over here in the middle over here? I don't know. I know that's Hurricane Carter though. Okay. Yeah, that's Hurricane Carter knocking him out the ropes. Yeah, man. Man, that's what's up. What up, James? Okay, you had to send me a text or something, man.
Man, after I got you on here. Yeah. See how it is?
No.
That's the number I called.
You called it? Yeah. Oh, send me a text though, man. Send me a text.
Oh, that's some girl stuff, man.
I think Leon, like, oh no, that's a good question. That's the only thing I didn't ask him. What? How old is he now? Oh, Riddick said, how old is he right now?
Leon.
Yeah.
Teammate. Charles Bowe.
It's a bunch of life.
I see him all the time. Yeah, so he's training down in Florida. I'm gonna tell him I'll see him.
Hey, you done had enough of beating people up with them big old hands, man. Look how big his hands, Rick. Your head bigger than mine, man. Yo, I got the dishwasher hands, man.
James Toney,
This is a house full of ass whoopings, boy, I tell you that. Oh, yeah. Oh, you? What about me? I don't know.
Yeah, that furnace and stuff is.
Yeah, no photo bombing. My man. Sorry, it took so long. Hey. We was trying to do that shoot down there at the Bellagio, so we kept trying to wait until the water came, and then we just had so many people around us, like, son how to got taken. Like, we trying to film this, man. Yeah. It was cool because I chopped it up with Leon for a good hour and a half, man. So beautiful. What's going on, Chris? Nice to meet you, man. Yeah, no doubt, man. How you feeling, big dog? Straight? John? Lamon, man.
Press conference at 11 o'clock at night. Ain't nothing wrong with that.
Oh, man. Private press conference. Ray Mercer's on the way. He'll be here. I was just about to say where Ray at. Yeah. This is what it is, man.
I feel so bad.
Hey. We got the last two dudes in the same room. You know what I mean? The last two cats.
Pretty good.
Okay.
That one right there.
Hey Chris, what's gonna happen tomorrow, man?